in a series of simplification. Today's topic is BODMAS. What is the meaning of BODMAS? BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Brackets. B for brackets, and brackets are parentheses or a small bracket, braces or we can say curly bracket, big bracket. So there are three kind of brackets. In any mathematical equation, if there are more than two kinds of brackets, there is a sequence. Small brackets are solved first, then curly brackets, then big brackets. It is the sequence, and we know the sequence of DMAS, and in similar way there is a sequence of BODMAS. At first solve these brackets if brackets exist. After that of, equation of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Let us focus on the rule BODMAS. Here is a question. Question is this. There is a bracket. 3 plus 4 is in the bracket. Then multiply 5. So according to this rule, BODMAS, always solve bracket first. So here addition is in the bracket. Multiplication is outside the bracket. So we need to solve bracket first. Whatever the operation is in the bracket, we need to solve that bracket. So 3 plus 4, we will solve the bracket and answer will be 7 multiply 5. Now here is only one operation, multiplication. So we will do multiplication and it is 35. So very easy it is. So just follow the sequence of BODMAS and solve this question. Here is your question. 12 divided by 4 is in the bracket plus 3. So we need to first solve this bracket. Whatever the operation is inside the bracket doesn't matter. So 12 divided by 4, we will solve this bracket and it is 3 plus 3. Now here is only one operation which is addition. So it is 6. Let us take another question. Here is 21 divided by 3 is in the bracket and divided by 7 is outside the bracket. So here we need to solve bracket first. Here is division in the bracket. So we will divide in 21 by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So after solving the bracket, we will get 7 divided by 7. Now it is very easy. When any number is divided by same number, we get the answer 1. Next question is this. 7, here is a big bracket, 7 plus small bracket starts 18 divided by 9. We close by small bracket and big bracket plus 3. Now here are two brackets. And according to the rule of brackets, we know that at first we need to solve this small one, parentheses bracket. So 18 divided by 9, this operation we will do first. Whatever the operation is in this small bracket, we need to solve that. So here 18 divided by 9, we will solve this bracket, small bracket first, and we will get this. Big bracket as it is 7 plus, after solving this we will get 2. We will close that big bracket plus 3. Now here second step is to solve this bracket. So after solving big bracket, 7 plus 2 equals to 9 and remaining is plus 3. Now here is only one operation, addition. So just add it and it is 12. Let us see what is next. 16 divided by big bracket 2 plus, and there is a small bracket, 42 divided by 7, brackets close. Here again we will solve a small bracket first. So after solving this small bracket, 42 divided by 7, we will get 16 as it is, sign of division as it is. This big bracket starts 2 plus, and after solving this 6, and big bracket close. So it is our second step. Now we will solve this bracket, which is big bracket. So now 2 plus 6 equals to 8. So what we will get, 16 divided by 8, which is equals to 2. So always focus on the rule BOD mass and solve the question. Here is a question. Here are big bracket, then small bracket, 60 divided by 3 inside the big bracket, multiply 5, big bracket close, divided by, there is a small bracket, 27 minus 2. Now here are two small brackets and one big brackets. Rule is always same. Whenever there are brackets, we need to solve bracket first, but in a sequence. So at first we will solve which bracket? Small bracket. And here 60 divided by 3, we will solve this, and this one is also a small bracket, so we will solve this also, 27 minus 2. So after solving 60 divided by 3, what we will get? 3 2s are 6 and 0, it means 20. So 20 multiply 5 in big brackets, plus after solving this 27 minus 2, because it is in small bracket, so we will get 25. Now here only one bracket is left, which is big bracket. So we will solve this, 20 multiply 5, and we will get 5 2s are 100. So here is 100 divided by 25, and final answer is, when we divide in 100 by 25, we will get 4. 4 is our answer. So here is your next question. Question is this. It seems difficult. No, it is very simple. It is simplification. We need to just follow the rule BOD mass. So here at first we need to solve bracket. But which bracket? Here are two, big and small. Always a small bracket. So we will solve the small bracket, 4 into 5 only in this first step, and rest of the things we will write as it is. So like this, 3 plus, we will solve this part only, 4 5s are 20 divided by 2 minus 6, big bracket close, divided by 7. Now again here is a bracket, so we will solve the bracket first. This is big bracket, but what is this? Here are three operations, plus, divide and subtraction. Which we will solve first? Always follow the rule. The answer is D, mass. Division first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Here is division, so we will solve division first. So it is like this, 3 plus 20 divided by 2 equals to 10 minus 6, bracket close, divided by 7. We will write rest of the things as it is. Now here are two operations, addition and subtraction, and DMAS says we will solve this, addition. So 3 plus 10 equals to 13. 13 minus 6 divided by 7. Now again, still our bracket is there, and there is one operation left, which is subtraction. So we will solve that bracket first. And in this big bracket, which operation? Subtraction. 13 minus 6 equals to 7. 7 divided by 7. Now 7 divided by 7. When we divide a number by that same number, we get the answer 1. So it is very simple because it is simplification. So my dear students, simplification is very easy. But what you need to do? Yes, practice, practice and practice.